Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to take your Instagram Reels to the next level and upload them in the highest quality possible, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your Reels with stunning clarity and get your content looking professional. Let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. Now go to your profile icon. Here you can find the three lines at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down and look for the option which is called media quality. After you locate it, simply tap on it. Here you can see the option of upload at highest quality. Simply turn it on. After turning it on, this will ensure that Instagram does not compress your video too much during the upload process, and it will upload the videos at the highest quality. And that's it. Follow these steps to upload your Instagram Reels in the highest quality possible and make your content stand out on the feed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.